world. It's been a while since I've actually done a behind the scenes video, and I thought I would show you guys this new one. So my friend, I don't know where he is, we're actually on the campus of Life University in Marietta, Georgia, photographing this waterfall here at this mill, which is actually quite massive. And I might show you guys a little bit that's around here. So you kind of see it's this little walk-through. It is actually pretty cool. And you see all this stuff, well, outside of the trash can. And it's actually pretty cool. And I'm doing some waterfall images. And so I've actually switched cameras again. As you all know on my Instagram, I actually was shooting with the A7R Mark II for a while. But I'm back to shooting with my favorite Alana, the Sony A7, with my favorite 10 to 18 millimeter lens. Now I know many people ask about this lens because it is a cropped sensor lens, but I still use it on full frame because you still get full frame coverage. As you can see here, I'm at about a 12 millimeter, and so I'm actually still in good range there, and it works perfectly fine. I'm getting full 24 megapixels. So I'll kind of show you guys what I'm capturing. I'm capturing 3 images right now, so I'll actually use my remote trigger to get all 3 of those frames. And this last one is kind of long. And so those are my shots. Brightest, middle, and then the least exposed. So, as you can see, my settings are my usual. I have on continuous 3 exposure, bracketing, manual focusing, taking in RAW, f16, ISO 50, so that way I get a little bit of a trail in the waterfall there, so that way I get the little trails. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna see what I get, and I'll be sure to share those images with you guys at the end of this video.